Hi, my name is Yesenia, and this is my son Nicholas. We've been seeing Dr. Feifei for about a year and 3 months now, I believe. Originally, when I was introduced to Dr. Feifei, was in the hopes of basically hearing different possible options for the diagnosis of my son Nicholas, uh, autism spectrum disorder. Originally, when he was diagnosed at the age of about 4 years old, um, traditional medicine didn't give me much hope, wasn't able to answer my questions concrete about medication and ultimately what would be his long-term plan. Um, Considering my personal research that I didn't feel um, medicating him was the proper way or an ultimate solution, and started to look for other options. And luckily, my brother introduced me to Dr. Feifei based on other family matters she had been able to help, and that inspired me a piece of hope. Um, and so when we started the medication with Nico, you know, within I say, like I think three 3 weeks, 4 weeks, we saw a change in him, in the fact that he was actually going to the bathroom on a regular basis. He was a little bit calmer. Um, he was able to, do things that I had never seen before. Um, I do believe strongly now, after a year and a few months, after sticking with the recommendations that Dr. Feifei gave us in regards to diet, in regards to avoiding any kind of other options and sticking strictly to the herbs, I think has helped us in many ways. I've seen him improve vastly, many ways. He is now 6 years old, and he's actually able to fully verbally communicate full comprehensive sentences. He is not bouncing off the walls like he originally was. He obviously has attention deficit disorder as well. So it was very hard to keep him, to stay in one place. As you can see now, he's actually able to sit down for longer periods. His attention focus has greatly improved in school. He's actually now starting to learn to read. He's about to finish kindergarten this year, and I have a very positive hope for him for next year, because he's just been doing really, really, really good all along. I'm starting to see less of the autism. I don't know what you call it, the checklist that they go through, the attention, the eye connection, all of that. I start to see less of it. The fact that he's actually able to sit calm, pay attention, just use his words. It's like I amazing. It's just completely amazing. And I know when I started this whole route, I was confused, I was lost, I felt like I had no hope. But after being with Dr. Feifei for this amount of time, I can assure you that there's hope. I definitely see hope for my son. And although, we still have a few milestones to complete, I only see them going upward instead of just flat on a line. Ultimately, I hope that one day his autism will just be part of his medical history, and that he will strive, make big strides in life. So that's my recommendation. My testimonial is that there's hope. There's really hope for kids like our son, like my son had no hope before, but now I definitely do see hope. I just, I'm thankful that I decided to try traditional herbs, because that really has made an immense improvement in our life, and especially in the life of my son. Thank you.